you're mine, you're mine, you're mine,
Hi, welcome Kickstarters to Two Saints Factory.
Push of a button, flick of a switch, watch her sink, she's not a witch, and set the cut some head off, watch it bleed, send a message, draw a line, set the record straight while the curveballs fly. All you wanna do is take the money and run. Now you don't need a money when you have all the reasons. Just take the money and run. Find a place under the sun. Live in splendid isolation, lava high-class desecration. Learn to run before you walk, learn to scream before you talk. And you have a brilliant feature, and you love a beautiful gesture, and you